Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 64. To create this exercise, we will use some features like revolved bows and extruded bows and some unconventional techniques. These are also effective to create this exercise. So let's create on SolidWorks. Select new, select part and apply OK. Select front plane and go to sketch. Select line and draw lines like that. Select smart dimension and this is 17.5 and this one is 70 by 2. Now again select line and draw lines like that, and this is how much it is 25 by 2, it is 12.5 and this is 25. Now select fillet and this is 5, sorry, it is 10, right, and it is 2 mm. Apply here. Now go to features and select revolved bows. Select this contour and this one and select the line, this one. Okay, first delete this one and select this one, and now select this line and apply OK. Now here select shell and select this one and it is 2.5 and apply OK. Here apply OK. And now select top plane and go to sketch and here select the center point straight slot and draw one like that, and this length is 40 and radius is 1.75. Apply OK. Now select linear sketch pattern and select this slot. Number of instances is 5, sorry, it is 4, it is 4 and this is 5. Apply OK. Now again select linear sketch pattern, select this one, reverse the direction, it is also 4 and this one is 5. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extrude cut, reverse the direction and here select up to surface and this is the surface. Apply OK. Now select this one and go to sketch, select circle and draw one. Diameter of this circle is 15 mm. Now go to feature and select extrude cut and here select up to next and apply OK. Now select top plane and go to sketch, select slot and draw one slot. OK. Select this straight slot and draw one slot like that. This distance is 42.5 and this radius is 7.5. Now select circle and diameter of this circle is 7.5. Now select the center this and select this origin and make vertical. Now here select circular sketch pattern, select this and this, and it is number 3. Number of instances is 3. Now select convert entities and select this outer one. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extrude bows. Select this contour, this one. First clear the selection, again select this one and this one. It is 5 mm. Apply OK. Now select this face and with right click here select body and select this one. Apply OK. Now select this surface and here select face 1 and select this one sorry, this one here, here, and apply OK. Now our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.